In our experiment, the heat energy source present was the electricity from the oven in the form of heat.
The substance that absorbed the heat energy the fastest was the water in the brownie mixes. We know this because the brownies were able to fully cook, and when the brownies were done cooking and we cut them with the knife, steam was released to form condensation on the knife surface.
The heat energy was transferred from the heat source to the object by way of convection. So when all the liquid from the individual components in the mixture evaporated, the brownie mix hardened and a small portion of the moisture remained.
The substance that held on to the heat the longest was the water, because some of the water's properties include serving as a coolant and having a high heat capacity. Therefore, it can withstand holding on to the energy longer.
Furthermore, liquid water has a heat capacity of 4.184 at 25 degrees Celsius in joules per gram degrees Celsius, while cooking oil has a heat capacity of 2.000 at 25 degrees Celsius in joules per gram degrees Celsius. The substance that absorbed the heat the fastest was the water, which is also the same substance that held on to the heat the longest.
This experiment tells us that the substances that have a high heat capacity, in this case the water, can most likely absorb a large amount of energy before changing their individual states of matter.
But first, let me take a selfie.